Hello, my name is Casey Nguyen. I am an instructor at Moreno Valley College. I'd like to invite you to take my class CIS-30A this summer 2021 semester. This is an online course where you are not required to buy textbook. It all the materials is provided in Canvas, including lab assignments and all the notes that you need for the course. In this course, we're going to learn the basic in Python, starting with variable and functions, and eventually we'll get to designing the graphical user interface using tk-enter. If you like to explore the exciting world of Python, please join me in CIS-30A because did you know that there are so many jobs that require Python programming? On Indeed, there are 26,000 jobs that require Python programming. This solely should be the reason why you need to take CIS-30A. I look forward to have you in class this summer. Please sign up for my class. See you then.